Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English B grammar page number 8 and 9. Students, now let us start topic subject and predicate. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. Next, definition of subject: the part of a sentence which names the person or thing we are speaking about is called a subject. Next to page number 9. Definition of predicate: the part of a sentence which tells something about the subject is called a predicate. Next examples. Example number 1. She wrote a letter. In this example, she is a subject and wrote a letter is predicate. Next example number 2. He is my younger brother. In this example, he is a subject and is my younger brother is predicate. Next example number 3. They are working in a factory. In this example, they is a subject and are working in a factory is a predicate. Next example number 4. My friend came to me. In this example, my friend is a subject and came to me is a predicate. Next example number 5. Jamil can speak English. In this example, Jamil is a subject and can speak English is a predicate. Next example number 6. My two friends were rowing a boat. In this example, my two friends is a subject and were rowing a boat is a predicate. Next example number 7. Sana laughed. In this example, Sana is a subject and laughed is a predicate. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 1. ऊपर वाले जुमलों से हमें पता चलता है कि सब्जेक्ट में नाउन और प्रोनाउन दोनों शामिल होते हैं. सब्जेक्ट एक लफ्ज़ पर भी मुश्तमिल हो सकता है और 2 से ज़्यादा पर भी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 2. प्रीडिकेट में वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट शामिल होता है और बाज़ औक़ात सिर्फ वर्ब होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.